Welcome back everyone. So in this session we are going to see the length of tangent, and this session we have calculated the length of tangent when we were discussing the direct common tangent and inverse and the other common tangent as well. But in this session what we are going to do, we are going to calculate the length of the tangent with respect to the equation of circle. That is, if the tangent is placed in a 2D plane where we have the equation of a circle. So firstly, let's have a scenario where, let's say this is a point P and there is a tangent such like that at this point T now, and this is the center C. Now as you can see, if I just join this, so this will be a 90-degree angle, and if it is a 90-degree angle, then what I can say directly from here, that PC square is equals to PT square plus CT square, right. Now this will be obviously Pythagoras theorem in triangle PCT. Now what if equation of circle is x square plus y square is equals to r square, and point is x1 comma y1, and the point over here, the coordinate of this point is x1 comma y1, and this center right over here. See, if we are considering this circle as x square plus y square is equals to r square, then the coordinates of the center will be what? 0 comma 0 only, right. Now I have to calculate the length of the tangent, then this equation can be written as pt square is equals to pc square minus ct square, and as you can see, we have PC as all I need to do is just x2 minus x1 plus x plus y2 minus y1. So I'll be applying distance formula at PC. So what I'll be getting is x1 square plus y1 square, because it will be what? Minus 0 and minus 0. And over here I have CT. CT is what? This is my radius, that is r. So this is my r square, right. And if I want to calculate the length of PT, that is my tangent, so it will be x1 square plus y1 square minus r square. This will be the length of tangent from a point x1 comma y1 to circle x square plus y square minus r square is equals to 0. I hope it makes sense. Now there is one simple observation that you can make. If the equation of circle is x square plus y square minus I square, then the equation of tangent is what? It's what I have did, I have parsed x as x1 and y as y1, and I have taken the under root of whole equation of circle. So if I want to convert this into general form, let's discuss the general form as well. Now in case of general form, as you know, the general form of circle is what? X square plus y square plus 2 gx plus 2 fy, and then plus c is equals to 0. If you want to find the length of tangent on above circle from point x1 comma y1, So what that would be, it would be, I am sure most of you are able to get this thing, x1 square plus y1 square plus 2g x1 plus 2f y1 plus c. That would be the length of tangent on above circle from the point x1 comma y1. All you need to do is just to replace xy by x1 and y1, that the coordinate of the point, and then just take the square root. I hope it makes complete sense to you, and that was all about the length of the tangent with respect to the equation of circle. Thank you so much.